Looking for the best treadmills of 2025? In this video, we'll review the top-rated treadmills for home workouts, covering features, performance, and value for money. Stay tuned to find the perfect treadmill for your fitness goals. If you want to know about price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. NordicTrack T-Series. The NordicTrack T-Series is one of the best treadmills 2025 for home use, offering a premium experience for walking, jogging, and running. With a 0-10 mph speed range, you can reach a 6-minute mile pace or let iFit take over to automatically adjust the speed and incline for a hands-free, immersive workout. The 10% incline helps you target more muscle groups and train for a 5K, marathon, or long hikes. Equipped with Smart Adjust technology, the treadmill adapts to your fitness level, while active pulse heart rate zone training keeps you in your optimal zone for maximum results. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced athlete, the NordicTrack T-Series provides personalized coaching with iFit, allowing you to follow expert trainers in dynamic, goal-driven workouts. The KeyFlex cushioning system absorbs impact to ensure comfort, making this one of the top choices for those searching for the top treadmills for home 2025. It's also a great option for those seeking the best budget treadmills 2025 with powerful features that cater to every fitness goal. Upgrade your fitness routine with this exceptional treadmill today. Number 2. Proform Carbon TLX. The Proform Carbon TLX is one of the best treadmills 2025, designed for both walking and running with top-tier features that cater to all fitness levels. Powered by iFit, it gives you access to over 10,000 smart workouts, offering personalized coaching that adapts to your fitness goals. Whether you're walking, jogging, or running, the 0-12 mph speed range ensures you can customize your pace, or let iFit automatically adjust it for a hands-free experience. With the ProShokes cushioning system, this treadmill absorbs impact and provides stability, allowing you to train safely and comfortably for longer periods. Plus, the 0-12% incline adds variety to your routine, helping you target more muscle groups and train for different goals like a 5K, marathon, or even hiking. One of the standout features is its foldable space-saving design, perfect for small spaces. With the simple press of a foot on the black bar, the treadmill easily lowers to the floor, making it effortless to store when not in use. Additionally, the device shelf with a USB-C outlet lets you keep your phone or tablet charged as you follow iFit trainers through your workout. If you're searching for the best treadmills for running 2025 or need a treadmill buying guide 2025, the Proform Carbon TLX is an excellent choice to meet your fitness goals. Number 3. Horizon Fitness T101. The Horizon Fitness T101 is a top contender among the best treadmills 2025, offering durability, ease of use, and space-saving features. Known for its best folding treadmills 2025 design, this treadmill features featherlight technology, making it effortless to store after workouts. The one-step hydraulic folding system allows you to easily fold and store the treadmill, ideal for homes and apartments with limited space. This treadmill is designed with simple, easy-to-use dial controls that allow you to adjust speed and incline with ease, making it perfect for users of all levels. The Bluetooth connectivity enables you to sync your device to the built-in speakers for stereo sound, while the integrated device holder keeps your screen in view, perfect for streaming workouts or entertainment. The variable response cushioning deck provides excellent shock absorption, offering support throughout your stride while reducing impact, ideal for walking, running, and jogging. With its ultra-quiet motor running at lower RPMs, the T101 ensures smooth, long-lasting performance with minimal noise. If you're looking for the best compact treadmills 2025, the Horizon Fitness T101 offers a combination of features, including an energy-saving mode, fan, heart rate grips, and a tablet rack. It's the perfect treadmill for those seeking quality, convenience, and efficiency in a compact package. Number 4. Sunny Health and Fitness Premium Foldable Treadmill. The Sunny Health and Fitness Premium Foldable Treadmill is a standout choice for the best treadmills 2025, offering a versatile and convenient option for both walking and running. Perfect for home use, it features 12 incline levels, ranging from 2.5% to 12%, allowing you to easily elevate your workout intensity at the touch of a button. Whether you want a gentle walk or a challenging incline workout, this treadmill has you covered. For those looking for best smart treadmills 2025, the Sunny Health and Fitness model offers Bluetooth connectivity with the free Sunny Fit app, giving you access to over 1,000 workouts in 10,000 plus scenic running routes. It's a great way to personalize your training and track your progress in real time. The double-deck running surface ensures stability and comfort with integrated shock absorption, perfect for low-impact training. With 12 preset workouts, you can challenge yourself and burn more calories, progressing from beginner to advanced levels. This treadmill also features convenient speed buttons for quick adjustments from 2 to 8 miles per hour, and the performance digital monitor helps you track heart rate, speed, and calories burned. Plus, it's easy to store with its foldable design and smooth hydraulic drop mechanism. Ideal for those looking for the best treadmills for walking 2025, this treadmill is built for comfort, performance, and space-saving convenience. Number 5. Urivo Portable Folding Treadmill. The Urivo Portable Folding Treadmill is one of the best treadmills 2025, offering a powerful 3.0 peak HP motor with speeds from 0.6 to 7.6 mph. Perfect for home use, it has a 265 lbs weight capacity in an anti-slip belt for a comfortable, low-impact workout. The 16.5-inch wider tread belt ensures ample space for running, while the multi-layer design reduces knee stress. With 12 preset programs, you can customize your workouts, tracking your speed, time, distance, and calories on the adjustable LCD screen. The treadmill also features pulse detection, a phone holder, and a pause function for added convenience. Designed for easy storage, the Urivo treadmill folds compactly to 52.7 inch x 28.7 x 5.5, making it ideal for small spaces. If you're exploring treadmill reviews 2025 or looking for the best treadmill brands 2025, the Urivo folding treadmill offers a perfect blend of power, comfort, and portability for your fitness routine. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information about these products, do check out my description. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more easier.